Today we had some leftover mashed potatoes, so we decided to make a Scottish favourite, chocolate macaroon bars.
You don't need much to make these. A little leftover mashed potato with nothing added to them, icing sugar, a large bar of good quality chocolate and a bag of coconut. The equipment you'll need is a set of scales, a mixer, a bowl and pan, a spatula, an ice cream scoop, a baking tray and some parchment paper. I usually use approximately 1 scoop of mashed potato to a pound of icing sugar, but you might need slightly more sugar depending on how wet your potato is. Best use floury ones if possible. Mix the potato till smooth and gradually add the icing sugar till a firm paste is formed. When the dough is firm enough, use your hands to form into desired size, but not too big, as these bad boys are sweet. Now set them to one side to let them dry out for approximately 4 hours, or till they're hard to the touch. When they are ready, it's time to prepare your chocolate and coconut. Break up your chocolate and place it into the bowl. Melt it using the double boiler method. You can use a microwave to do this, I just prefer the old-fashioned way. Once there are no chunks, remove from the pot and allow it to cool slightly. Next, spread your coconut evenly over your baking tray and place it into a preheated oven set at approximately 200 degrees Celsius. That's 390 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's in the oven, you must keep a close watch on it. As it starts to colour, give it a wee mix round so that the underside can get toasted too. This whole process should only take a few moments. Once it's cool, tip into a dish to make coating easier. Now for the messy bit. Coat the dried macaroon in chocolate, then roll in the toasted coconut until completely covered. Pop into the fridge until the chocolate is completely set. I really hope if you make this recipe, you enjoy it, as it's definitely one of my favourites and one the kids love too. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.